Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I am going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with N and P letter in English alphabet. And one more thing, I have an amazing gift for you. This is an ebook. By the help of this ebook, you can enhance pronunciation and vocabulary of your child while following 8 tips which I have mentioned in this ebook. So don't forget to grab this free gift using given link in description box. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. I help in improving English grammar. So without further delay, let's get started. So here is first phrasal verb that starts with an alphabet. This is knows something out. To discover information about somebody, something, while searching for it. सूंघकर पता लगाना. Reporters nosed out all the details of the affair. Next one is note down. To write down something important so that you will not forget it. नोट बनाना, याद रखने के लिए लिख लेना. The police officer noted down the details of the burglary. Next one is part with. To give something to somebody else, especially something that you would prefer to keep. त्याग देना, छोड़ देना. Make sure you read the contract before parting with any money. Next one is pass away. To die. People say pass away to avoid saying die. मर जाना, गुजर जाना. His mother passed away last year. Next one is pass for. To be accepted as somebody, something. स्वीकृत होना. He speaks the language so well he could easily pass for a German. Pass over. To decide not to promote somebody in a job, especially when they deserve it or think that they deserve it. ध्यान न देना, अनदेखी करना. He was passed over in favor of a younger man. Next one is pay back. To return money that you borrowed from somebody. ऋण लौटाना, चुकाना. You can pay back the loan over a period of 3 years. Next one is pick off. To remove something from something such as a tree, a plant, etc. नोचना, तोड़ना, अलग करना. Pick off all the dead leaves. Next one is pull off. To succeed in doing something difficult. प्रतियोगिता में जीतना, सफल होना. Be pulled off the deal. Next one is pull through. To get better after a serious illness, operation, etc. बीमारी, कमजोरी आदि से चंगा होना. The doctors think she will pull through. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any doubt or question, you can put your question or doubt in comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.